Heading out for your next adventure? In this video, we're diving into the best camping chairs. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or relaxing by the fire, we've got the perfect picks for comfort and durability. Stick around to find your ideal chair. And if you enjoy helpful product recommendations, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more daily reviews. Number 1. Yelpies Mountaineering King Kong. If you're worried about your camp chair blowing away, this robust chair is your go-to choice. The Yelpies Mountaineering King Kong has a heavy, rigid frame, and with super sturdy, tough feet, this chair is unlikely to topple over. It's the outsized weight capacity that got our attention first on this chair. 800 pounds is above any other camp chair we've encountered so far, even the sturdy YTI Trailhead that tops out at 300 pounds. The powder-coated steel frame and 600D quilted polyester sling are to thank here, as the design doesn't take any special departure from other chairs. Besides the impressive capacity, the King Kong also comes spec'd out with a number of niceties. 2 pockets hang off each armrest, and the uppermost section on the backside of the chair back has a full-width hanging mesh pocket for miscellaneous stashes. With an adjustable fit, the angles of the arms can be tinkered with via 2 buckles, something that lesser chairs leave to the friction fit of the arm connection points. Number 2. Boat Inflatable Aero Chair XL. This ain't your grandpappy's woven shore chair. Full inflatable, collapsible, and beach-able, the Boat Aero Chair XL has turned our idea of the ideal beach camping chair on its head and makes use of the same drop-stitch technology that inflatable stand-up paddleboards use in order to support entire days of kicking back in the sand. The beach can be a pretty rough place for a traditional camp chair. Salt water rusts hinges and legs, harsh UV degrades woven fabrics at an accelerated rate, and sand finds its way into any and all crevices. The Aero chair's monolith design and PVC material shrug off all of this treatment. Inflating is a cinch, and while the recommended max PSI of 10 was a bit too firm, the lower end of 7 PS, I provided the slight cushion that won us over. The seat is low-slung with a seating position that's ideal for digging your toes in, and because the legs are really rails, there's no tipping when the ground isn't level. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro Rocker. This chair rocks, literally, making the GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro Rocker unique from any other chair in this lineup. Beyond that novelty, though, it's also outstandingly comfortable, with a sturdy overall feel, breezy mesh panel, and a high back for good support. The rocking aspect might sound like a front porch novelty, but beyond adding entertainment, it brings versatility to the activities this chair can excel in. You can kick back and watch the stars in it, or use it as a more upright seat for eating and table activities. We found that it's also great for people with knee problems, since the rocking action makes it easier to get in and out of. Additionally, on the comfort front, we found the shape and seat height to be comfortable for a range of people with very different body shapes, which is somewhat unusual for a camp chair. Also, the rocking action works well for both lighter weight and heavier campers. It can accommodate weights up to 250 pounds. Number 4. GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker Chair. You know what takes campfire gazing to the next level? A relaxing, comfortable rocking chair. The GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker delivers comfort and gentle rocking in a stable and easy-to-pack package. With a full lineup of camping chairs around the fire, this is among the first chairs to be sat in. At nearly 11 pounds, it's certainly not ultralight, but it's not unmanageable either. We especially like how easy it is to set up. Simply fold it open, and you're ready to relax. Compared to our top pick for a camp rocker, the Nemo Stargaze Recliner, this is far easier to plop down in without the fuss of connecting poles and slotting fabric sleeves. And despite the rocker design, the chair isn't difficult to get up and out of or to sit down in. The overall frame is a bit lower to the ground, so taller users might notice they need to lean back for the chair's support. Number 5. Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Chair. Just $30, and it has a cooling mesh back? Yep, this Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Chair is a bargain hunter's dream. And to top it off, we found it impressively comfortable during our initial testing foray. There is an ocean of cheap camp chairs like this on the market, but let it be known, this is the top of the heap with a trusted brand name to rely on. At 21 inches wide, it provides a roomier seat than the smaller backpacking options we've reviewed. It also has a taller seat height and a more upright back, which makes getting in and out easier. The fabric of the seat itself is actually a sturdy mixture of breathable mesh and solid fabric, which truly raises the comfort level when sitting in this chair for long periods of time. Most other options at this price point will be all solid fabric, so the mix here is welcome. While the armrest does sport an integrated cup holder, your drinks will have to go koozie-less to be able to fit, which was a small price to pay considering the budget buy-in this chair commands.